Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. I'll cover how to show and hide tools you may not even know exist, and then some tips on how to use them as well. So let's jump into Bluebeam here. And so what you're seeing here is the Bluebeam interface. Obviously, I have turned off in my profile all of the tools and all of that, just so we can focus on the panels over here. So in Bluebeam Revu, you'll notice on the side, depending on which profile you're in, I am in the Review Advanced, but I've modified my profile for this presentation, turned a bunch of stuff off, and actually put all of my tools panels on the left side here. When you open Bluebeam, you might see some of these tools on the left. You might see them over here on the right. Some of them you'll even see across the bottom. So for now, I stacked them all here. We're going to go through each one and show you what they're for, what they do. You can see here all the ones with the blue highlighted in blue. That means that they're turned on. So you can turn those on. If there's any of these that you don't use, you can also right click and just click on hide, and it will turn that one off. Let's dive in and show you what these are all about. Okay, the next one down is going to be the little gear. That is our properties panel. Click on that. Right now it's just showing the properties for the document, not a whole lot of information there. But if I switch over to, let's say, this drawing again, if I go ahead and create a markup, let's go up here, we'll create a cloud plus. I can just draw a window around here. It creates the cloud for me, and then I can drag my note and type in my note. This area is to remain. I'll zoom in so you can see that. And when I click on that, you'll see all of the properties for that particular markup. So here I can change the colors. If I want this to be green, I can do that. That blends in too well. I can pick something else. The cloud size, the cloud thickness, all of these different settings are in here for my properties. And I can change this to look however I want. So that's how you change to use different colored highlighters, different colored clouds, all sorts of different things. This is I have my properties panel open almost all the time when I'm working in Bluebeam Revu. I hope you guys took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's tool panels. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.